9 best app for selling photos. Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you the best photo selling apps where you can upload your picture, sell them and start earning. Let's get started. So first up we have IM with a rating of 3.5 and over 10 million downloads. This app is perfect for photographers of all levels. You can upload your photos and IM's AI systems will match them with potential buyers, including big brands. Plus, they partnered with Getty Images, so your photos can reach a global market. Super cool! Next, we have 500 Pixel with a rating of 4.3 and over 5 million downloads. This app is a mix between a photo sharing platform and a marketplace. If you love high-quality artistic photography, this is the place to be. You can license your photos and even join photography challenges to get discovered by buyers. You've probably heard of Shutterstock, right? With a rating of 4.0 and over 1 million downloads. It is one of the biggest stock photo marketplaces out there. With this app, you can become a Shutterstock contributor, upload your best photos, and get paid every time someone downloads them. Great for passive income. Now let's talk about Dreamstime with a rating of 3.6 and over 1 million downloads. This app is great for beginners because it has a simple approval process. Just upload your shots, tag them properly, and start selling. Plus, they have a huge database of buyers, so your photos have a good chance of getting sold. Next, here's a fun one. Fob with a rating of 2.6 and over 5 million downloads. Unlike other stock photos platform, Fob has mission where brands post specific photo requests and you can submit your photos to win cash prizes. It's super interactive and a great way to earn from your creativity. Next, we have Flickr, a classic with a rating of 3.8 and over 1 million downloads. Not only it is a photo sharing community, but you can also enable photo licensing and let brands or individuals buy your photos. It is a great platform to get your work noticed. Now, Amazon Photo isn't exactly a marketplace, but hear me out, with a rating of 4.7 and over 50 million downloads. If you are a Prime member, you get unlimited photo storage, so you can safely backup all your high-res shots. Plus, you can create photo prints and albums to sell as physical product. Next, if you want to work with one of the biggest names in photography, check out Contributor by Getty Images. With a rating of 4.6 and over 1 million downloads. If your photo gets accepted, they can be sold to major media companies, magazines, and brands worldwide. It is competitive but totally worth it. Last but not least, we have SmugMug, a platform for serious photographer, with a rating of 4.5 and over 500k downloads. Unlike stock photo sites, SmugMug lets you create a personalized online store where you can sell digital and printed photo directly to customers. Great if you want full control over your sales. And that's a wrap, guys. If you love photography, why not make some extra cash from your shots? Let me know in the comment below which apps you are excited to try. And see you on the next video. Bye!